Hey guys, today we're talking about creative kitchen workspace solutions. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have this kitchen sink, not your average sink. As you'll see here, we have an integrated cutting board. Down here, there's some drying racks to be able to stack your dishes. And here we have another little spot to be able to wash or rinse your fruit or other dishes in as well. And the cool thing about this is they're all kind of interchangeable. So perhaps you want to have your drying rack there, you want to have your space to rinse objects down low. The cutting board is removable or can go in different spaces. So it's a really great way to efficiently create more workspace within perhaps a smaller kitchen. This is the Kohler Trinsic line, so good job Kohler. It's a great option, something to consider for your renovation and when designing your kitchen and selecting your fixtures. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.